Nigerian street hop singer Mohbad has officially terminated his contract with the Naira Marley's Marlian music record label. The singer's management announced his exit from the record label on Tuesday, October 25, as his legal team released a statement asserting that Mohbad's exit was as a result of the constant attacks he received, which were orchestrated by Naira Marley and unpaid royalties since 2019. The KPK coroner's exit comes weeks after he took to the Bird app on October 5 to reveal bloody bodies, claiming that it was as a result of being assaulted by the Marlian crew because he requested to have his manager changed. Just because I want to change my manager, who is their brother, see what he did to me at Marlian house. He had tweeted saying, "World, please help me, I'm dying inside." Revealing that he was at a hospital for a CT scan for his head impact and chest x-ray as a result of the assault, he added, "I'm not high, because this is what they always say, just to die down everything." He accused Naira Marley of being present during the assault and doing nothing to stop it. The artist is also accusing Marlian music record label of refusing to pay him his royalties for monetized intellectual content and advances as mutually agreed since 2019. In contravention of the terms of the arrangement between our client and yourself, you have failed to pay any advances as mutually agreed by both parties since 2019 till date. You have also failed to pay all royalties due to our client from all his intellectual property works monetized, released and utilized by you from 2019 till date, the document read. Which record label do you think Mohbad should go to?